Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Pilkesh and you are here watching me share my last few weeks with you guys. It has been hectic, busy and stormy. So I took Millie with me to Digha. Digha मेरा hometown है. And we have in total 4 pets. Milo, who is my retriever, this one, Millie, Shih Tzu, Rani is a street dog, and we have a cat which is Eva, this one. So I had to go home for my passport and all of that. थोड़ा और काम भी था. It's so sad, no? When you grow up, you visit home when it's for work. Or maybe sometimes you just want to be with your family. But mostly when it's work. It happens with me. Anyway, Millie enjoyed because उसको काफ़ी सारे companions मिल गया. ईवा के साथ उतना bonding नहीं हुआ. Eva is the cat. And Rani loved Millie. She is very playful, but Millie को उससे थोड़ा सा डर लग रहा था. And then with Milo, she bonded really well. Milo is our first pet that we ever had, and he is the one. And Millie loved him so much. So we are back to our life and my little home here in Kolkata, and we're really tired. I don't know how much my body will give me to do my daily routine and all of that. I just simply feel like sleeping and doing nothing.
My dad's the scientist who captured her, but now it's time to set her free. Maybe somehow in this skull of mine I find it hard.
And she's ready. She has no idea that her hair will be trimmed tomorrow. So yeah, she's playing, had her meal, plants are thriving, sun's almost out, and I have nothing in the fridge, so I had to Blinkit, order from the Blinkit. And here is my order, although I don't trust them क्योंकि इतना बकवास चीज़ें वो लोग बेचते हैं. जैसे कि पनीर मैं 2 पैकेट मंगवाई थी पहले, दैट केम आउट रॉटन. And then I ordered chicken for Millie. That I shouldn't have done. I should have gone to the market. But मैं सिर्फ काम से वापस आई थी and I had no option, so I had to order from Blinkit. And they have sent me rotten chicken. And I sure had to, put up a complaint in their app and customer care, and things worked out. Refund to मिल गया, but then I'm not sure they're going to do the same thing with others as well. So anyway, kitchen cleaning is a task for sure. And kitchen clean करते करते I got my Amazon package. I have many package of things that I have ordered from Amazon that are yet to be delivered. तो मैं फिर से वही सेम कपड़ा पहन ली because I couldn't find any कपड़ा, because most of them are actually washed. So yeah. So last day I couldn't really record much because I was so tired. So it's the next day and I started my day with washing all the dirty clothes. So now that sun is out, I'm feeling really good. That gloomy weather was not helping at all. So I had some parcel to give out to a customer. I'm running a brand called Zen, which is a jewelry brand for now. I'm going to soon launch some clothing as well. Let's hope for the best. But for now, let me show you something. A storm on my way, which is this room. But before I even step into that room, I have to fill my body because I know that is going to take me hours, because there's so many stuffs that needs cleaning, needs to put out of the room and whatnot. I need to figure it out. So let's get to making some breakfast, and here I am trying to be all cute. And yeah, I'm going to make 2 toast, mango cheese toast, cream cheese mango toast. Along with that, I'm also going to make a mushroom scallion toast, green garlic chives toast, sorry. तो या वही बनाऊंगी. अब देख लो, ये हेल्दी ऑप्शन ही है. मतलब आई लव माई टोस्ट बट नॉट द रेगुलर ब्रेड. मुझे ना ये साडो ब्रेड ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है, पता नहीं क्यों. And some people also say people who are actually bread lovers, they can never settle with sourdough. I do not understand this concept. I like trying different kind of breads, and I did try different kind of breads, and the one that I really liked is this sourdough. एंड ये गार्लिक चाइव मशरूम का ये जो टोस्ट मैं कहीं से सीखी तो नहीं, क्योंकि मेरे फ्रिज में पड़ा था तो मैं बना ली. प्रिटी गुड एक्चुअली. सो वाइल आई वॉज मेकिंग माई ब्रेकफास्ट, वॉशिंग भी हो गया, तो इट्स टाइम टू ओपन दिस एक्सटेंशन कॉर्ड. बहुत झमेला है इस रूम में वैसे, स्पेशली this is a very old room and I have to pay less rent, so I'm here and I managed to make my look room pretty and aesthetic and somewhere I can actually live and be at peace. But इस रूम में ये जो क्या बोलते हैं इसको, स्विच बोर्ड, ठीक है, ये सारे जगह में बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स है. तो yeah, that's the problem, but for now I'm not planning to even move out because I have something coming in. तो अभी फिर से मूव आउट करने का कोई मतलब नहीं बनता. So anyway, my toasts are ready and they're looking fabulous and I can't wait to dig in. They look amazing. You guys have to try this. This is so quick and easy to make. And along with that, I definitely need a cup of coffee. Today the green tea is not gonna work because I need to wake up to get into the room and feel energetic. Yeah. So done. But ये खाना खाने से पहले जब तक मैं ब्रेकफास्ट करूँगी तब तक मेरा राइस भी हो जाएगा, तो मैं ये राइस भी चढ़ा ली फटाफट से फॉर मी. एंड देन या आई एम श्योर टिल द टाइम माई ब्रेकफास्ट इज डन द राइस विल बी गुड. Honestly, this is exactly the calm before the storm, like they say. Yeah, I have no idea उस रूम में क्या होने वाला है and I'm really scared. And in the sense क्योंकि बहुत गंदा हो चुका है वो रूम. So before I step into that room, I had my breakfast, I washed my clothes, my rice is also cooked and I'm going to cook paneer for him. He's going to visit today. So that because I came back to my home after 10 days, so he surely wants to come meet me. And जब तक मेरा ये clothes भी हो गया and the day is not for me, I can already see the clips are falling down. Nothing is going as planned. I'm just going with the flow. ठीक है, गिर रहे हैं, गिरने दो, सब मैनेज करूँगी. हो गया, कपड़ा भी सुखा ली. अब पनीर बनाना है. पनीर बना के मैं उस रूम में step in करूँगी. I'm not going to share any recipe as such because there's many recipe out there on the internet for malai paneer. So it's time to clear the mess I made. I'm pretty clueless where to even begin with because the entire room is blocked with stuffs. But I gotta do what I gotta do. And the room is clean. I'm going to throw that box of all the stuffs out. All these clothes are to be washed here. And yeah, all of this will be done. And there's one extra cupboard for him because sometimes when he visits he needs his clothes as well, so he kept it over there. We are not in a live-in relationship at all, but I'm not against it as well. So anyway, after that I showered and I feel like as fresh as a daisy, and it's time to make myself some green tea. I still don't feel hungry as such, और अभी 2 बजा है पर मुझे फिर भी भूख नहीं लगा. बट ये चाय पीने के बाद थोड़ा बैठूंगी, सांस लूँगी, उसके बाद शायद अगर भूख लगे तो खाना खाऊंगी. सो आई मेड पनीर for him. There's rice for both of us and I have some leftovers from yesterday, some dal and lau pata bata, which is called pumpkin leaves, bhorta in English, I don't know, so I'm going to have that. Yeah, so it's finally time for lunch. Sir is here, so हम लोग साथ में खाना खाएंगे. And yeah, I really love the time when I get to eat with somebody because I live alone. तो मुझे कभी कभी अच्छा लगता है, अदरवाइज इट्स फाइन ओनली व्हेन आई स्टे अलोन, क्योंकि बहुत पर्क्स है व्हेन यू लिव अलोन ऑनेस्टली. अच्छा लगता है. I like my own company. I'm fine with staying alone with Millie. I like the time I enjoy with Millie, and I like when he visits. So yeah, love when we get time together to eat together, do activities together, go work out together. This is my life right now. I know in 2 years this is gonna change, so I'm just simply enjoying the time I have with myself. Not that I won't have any later. He's very supportive in that case. He knows I like to have some time alone. So anyway, after lunch we got Millie's grooming kit from Amazon, and he's fake unboxing for the video. And yeah, here is the kit. Looks amazing. There are so many tools. Comb है, बाकी सारे tools भी है for grooming. And there she is. There's another parcel also from Amazon, which is this coconut sugar from Slurp Farm. I'm going to make talir bora today, which is a Bengali delicacy that we both love, and I never made it before, so I'm going to try. Meanwhile, he's helping me sorting a few clothes that needs to be washed or to be kept, while I'm here making talir bora and having fun with some South music. I wish अगर copyright नहीं लगता होता तो ये background मज़ेदार होता. To be honest, you would have enjoyed the South music that we are listening, and I'm having fun making talir bora. This fresh ripe dal smells so good. I don't even remember the last time I had this talir bora. I think when I used to visit grandma much. I think तब मेरे दीदू बोलते हैं हम लोग, वो दीदू ही बनाती थी. And पता नहीं मैं last कब गए थे. It's been several years, and now I'm finally making it. क्या होगा मुझे भी नहीं पता. I searched for a few recipes over internet, and here I am making. And Millie is helping a lot, and she's tired. Some dance moves for you all, because there's South music that is not helping me in any way to focus on talir bora, rather making me dance my heart out, which is a good thing. Going through all this mess just to get this puree and make some bora. फिर से शुरू हो गए. He also couldn't control. He also came to dance. It's funny. बनाने से पहले सब मैं साफ़ कर ली. अब शुरू करेंगे. Please do not follow my recipe here at all. मुझे भी नहीं पता कैसे जा रही हूँ मैं. But I'm somehow trying to figure it out. So I have put some suji for the crispiness, and then I'm going to add some few spoonful of maida, and also it's just going on. There's too many maida in it. तो डालती जा रही हूँ. उसके बाद मैं वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको सौफ, and then I'm also going to put काला जीरा, which is I don't know what is called in Hindi या फिर English, and then some salt and some normal sugar, and that I had in the counter for पता नहीं how many days, and इसको अच्छे से मिलाऊंगी. And the batter is still very thin, so I think it needs some more maida. So yeah, I'm going to put some more maida. उसके बाद देखेंगे क्या होगा इस batter का. We are really scared at this moment. इतना मेहनत करने के बाद अगर ख़राब हुआ ना, दिल टूट जाएगा. So after adding some more maida, I'm also going to add this coconut sugar that I got today. देखते हैं इसका क्या अलग flavor होता है. So I'm pretty bad at frying stuffs because I bought it. ठीक है, so he's going to do his thing. मैं थोड़ा सा कोशिश कर रही हूँ, but it just didn't work out, and it looks like this. So he's making his पूरा जला दी मैं देखो, and so he's trying to make a good bora that actually looks like one. There, कितना सुंदर लग रहा है. जला नहीं दिया ये. मैं तो जब भी ये फ्राई का मामला आता है मैं तो सब जला देती हूँ. And this bora tasted average, less than average, to be honest. Weather was really nice, and we decided to come to the terrace and take Millie also with us. She loves coming to the terrace and loves playing with these kids at the back. They love Millie equally. So he's left. Now I'm making Millie get familiar to this trimmer and other stuffs ताकि वो comfortable feel करे tomorrow while I'm doing it. Now it's dinner time. I do not have any more energy to cook something up for myself, so I ordered some noodles, and noodles make me happy. So I ordered some chili garlic noodles and I'm going to enjoy it tonight. Such bolu to I have a love and hate relationship with noodles because it makes my soul happy but makes my stomach really upset the very next morning. You understand what I'm saying? But क्या करे, toxic relationship है noodles के साथ. खाने का मन होता है तो खा लेती हूँ, but I do not go overboard. So finishing up my dinner while enjoying Sherry's videos. Next day, it's time to groom Millie. She really needed a cut, a fresh haircut because वो इतना घूमी है in the span of 2 to 3 months with us. But I just did not want to take any chance. And her hair quality थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया है जिसकी वजह से I had to give her a fresh cut and she looks so cute. And we came back to the terrace again in the evening. weather भी अच्छा था and हम लोग actually चाय मंगवाए हैं because मेरा गैस ख़त्म हो गया है. तो चाय and some snacks from Tea Junction and we're going to enjoy the weather. Miri is going to have her dentistix as a treat. Weather is perfectly fine and that's the day I looked forward to. Perfect. If you're somebody who's still watching the video, thank you so much for your love and support. I'm looking forward to creating an amazing and positive community here. And I'm also trying my best to share as much possible here because I'm really enjoying making vlogs and I hope I get to stick to it with your support. So do not forget to like, share, subscribe and hit that bell button to get notified as soon as my vlogs are up. Your support means a lot to me.